Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can write a complete ebook using ChatGPT in 2025. So whether you are writing non-fiction, a guide or even fiction, this tool can help you write smarter and faster. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or laptop and search for chatgpt.com. Once you are over here, you will see this type of section where you can type your prompt. Now, before anything else, you need to decide on a topic that you want to explore, something that is valuable to your audience. For example, let's say you have a topic that is how to start freelancing in 2025. So here you can type these types of prompts over here, like create a 10 chapter ebook outline for how to start freelancing in 2025, and then press enter over here. Once this step is done, ChatGPT will take some time to give you the outline and some of the topics, chapters and subtopics. So you need to expand each chapters one by one. So in order to do it, you can give this prompt further. Write chapter 1 introduction to freelancing around 800 words, friendly and informative tone. Then you can customize the style, so you can make it sounds like conversational, add examples to it, or simply for beginners. So you can add these types of things over here. Once your ebook is ready, you just have to copy all of these chapters one by one and open Google Docs. In order to open Google Docs, simply in your Chrome web browser specifically, you will see this type of section where you need to click and then select Docs. After that, click on the blank docs option. Now this is the content of our ebook. This is chapter 1. So if you want to copy the chapter 1, you need to just scroll down here in the bottom and click on this copy button. After that, you need to paste it over here. You can give your document a name, the title of our ebook, which is how to start freelancing in 2025. So you need to give it something like this. Then it will be saved and now you can share it anywhere where you want. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.